Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you analysis and designing of G+5 commercial complex building by using staad v8i software. So initially I will show you the model for this respected building plan so that you can understand that respected G+5 commercial complex building design concepts. So click on this PDF. So this is my commercial building complex which is consisting of 3 blocks here. First block will be consisting of 9 shops, second block will be consisting of 9 shops, and third block is also consisting of 9 shops. So total number of the shops in each floor will be consisting of 27 numbers for this respected block. So 27 multiplied by 5 floors. So this is the total number of the stops that is required for this respected commercial complex of G+5 stories. Okay, so initially I will show you how to model this respected commercial complex building by using staad software. So after that I will apply the load cases, then I will apply the design considerations as per IS code. So here initially I am assuming the center to center distance between the first column to second column is 4 meter, second column to third column is 3 meter, and third column to fourth column let us consider it as 4 meter in horizontal position. Okay, so again in the vertical position just I am considering all the column sections will be comes under the distance of 4 meter in vertical section. Okay, initially we need to click on the staad software here. Click on staad software. So click on the new project option. So click on spacing option. Give the file name. Let us consider it as complex. So save your file location as per your format. So save the file location as per your format. So here I am selecting the file location to complex. Click on OK. So now we have to select the length units will be in meter as well as force units will be in kilonewton. So click on next button. So here we have to select the add beam command. Click on finish button. So now initially we need to go to the geometry on the top. So click on the run structure wizard option. So initially we need to select the frame models from this respected structure wizard case. So select the frame model option here. So in this we need to select the bay frame option. So here we have to enter the length of this respected building, height of this respected building, and width of this respected building. So here as per my plan it will be consisting of 3 blocks here. So initially I will model the first 2 blocks. So after that I will apply the copies for the remaining. So here I am assuming the length of this respected first block will be consisting of 11 meter. Again I am taking the height of this respected block will be consisting of, let us consider it as ground story. So 3 meter. Again I am considering the width of this respected block will be consisting of 4 multiplied by 5 number of base sections, which is equal to 20. So after that we have to select the number of base along length direction distance. So here I am taking it as 3, and height direction distance will be consisting of 1, and width direction will be consisting of 5 numbers. So after that we have to select this respected 3 dots option. Now we have to enter the distance as 4 meter, and this is 3 meter, and this is 4 meter. So click on OK option. So after that we have to click on this. So it will be consisting of 3 meter. Again select this respected option. It will be consisting of 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter. Click on OK. So after that click on apply option. Now we can see only the ground story model is model here like this, which is consisting of 11 meter cross 20 meter length. Okay, so after that we have to click on the cancel option. Click on yes option. So now we can see the model is imported from structure wizard option to staad software now. So this respected section I am assuming it as plinth beam section. So after that we have to create one more floor. Select all these respected beam sections. So click on transitional repeat in y direction. Number of steps are 1. Each step will be consisting of 3 meter. So after that click on the link steps option. Click on OK. Now we can see the ground story was created for this respected building. So after that we have to apply the slab sections for the ground story. So select the front view option. Go to cut section command. Select view option. Click on OK. Cut this respected portion like this. So after that we have to click on 3D view. Now we have to add the slab portion for this building. So for that select the add 4 node plate option. Select the starting point, select the ending point, select the starting point here. Again you have to select the ending point. Again in the same process we need to add the slab section for this respected structure here like this. So after adding these 3 plates we need to copy this respected 3 plates for the remaining portions. So for that select plate cursor option. Select all these plates. Go to transitional repeat in Z direction. So which is in Z direction condition only. So which is consisting of number of steps will be of 4, and each step will be consisting of, let us consider some distance of 4. Okay, so click on OK option. Now we can see all the plates are applied here. So after that we have to remove the plates which is related to the staircases purpose as well as your lift portion purpose. So for that select this respected center plate, click on delete option, click on yes option. So after that we have to add the shear walls for the respected lift portion. So for that we have to keep the structure in top view for this respected section. So now we have to select the node cursor. So just we have to select the nodes at this respected position like this. So click on copy option, click on paste nodes. So let us consider the z direction distance will be consisting of 2 meter here. So click on OK. Now we can see it will copy your z direction distance like this. Again we have to select this respected 2 node points. Click on copy again we have to click on paste nodes option. In x direction distance, again this distance is also consisting of 2 meter. Click on OK. Now you can see the node points are created here for this respected section here like this. So after that we have to click on the whole structure command. So now you can see the model will be drawn here like this, which is consisting of plinth beam section as well as your ground floor section. So now we have to copy these respected floors to the remaining 5 slabs. So why? Because it will be consisting of ground story plus 5-story building. So for that we have to click on the front view option. So now we have to select the ground floor for this respected building here like this. So after that we have to click on the transitional repeat. In y direction, number of steps will be consisting of 5 numbers and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Now here we have to click on link steps option, click on OK. Now you can see it will create your respective properties like this. So now after this we need to select the plate cursor, select all the plates here like this, go to transitional repeat. In y direction condition, number of steps will be of 5 and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. Now we can see it will copy your respected ground story slabs to the remaining stories here like this. So after that we have to check this respected property with rendering view. Click on rendering view option. Now we can see this is the properties which are created with the help of this respected transitional repeat option. So now we have to add the shear wall section for the lift purpose. Okay. So for that initially we need to select the front view. So here we have to cut the remaining stories for this respected building except the plinth beam section. So click on select to view, click on OK, select the beam sections, select this respected property. So after that we have to select the top view section. Again we have to select the cut section command, select to view option, click on OK. Now here we have to cut this respected 4 node points like this. So for this respected sections we need to add the shear wall section. So for that select the add surface option here, select the starting point, select the ending point. Again you have to select the starting point, again here to select the ending point like this. So in the same process we have to create the shear walls for the remaining sides for this building. So select the add 4 node plate, select the starting point and select this second point, third point, fourth point, again come to the first point. Now we have to select the surface cursor, select the starting point, second point, third point, again come to the first point here like this. Okay, so it will create your respective shear walls like this. So after creating the shear wall we have to click on the whole structure command. So now we can see the shear wall section was created here for the lift purpose here. So after that we have to create the top column sections for this respected building. So for that select the front view option. So click on cut section command, select to view option, click on OK. So here we have to select the beam cursor, select the top portion for this respected building. So after that we have to click on the top view here. So select the node cursor, select this respected 4 node points. So click on copy, click on paste nodes which is at a distance of y direction distance of 3 meter here. Click on OK. So after that we have to select the node points at this respected portions here like this. So it will select 8 number of node points. So now we have to connect this respected node points with the help of the x direction beams. Again we have to connect the respected property with the y direction beams. Again in the same process we have to connect this respected node points with the help of the z direction beams. So it will connect your respected property here like this. Click on whole structure command. So after that we have to click on the whole structure command here. So click on whole structure command. So now we can see the model is done with respected properties here like this. So which is consisting of plinth beam section, ground story, first story, second story, third story, fourth story, fifth story. Okay, so this is the modeling process for the block 1. Now we have to copy this respected block 1 to the remaining blocks. So for that firstly we have to select all these properties, go to transitional repeat. In x direction condition which is consisting of number of steps are 1 and each step will be consisting of, let us consider the distance of 13 meter. So click on this respected link steps option. So we have to select the steps are 2 not 1. Why? Because it will be consisting of 2 number of blocks. So click on OK. Now we can see the 2 blocks are created here like this. Okay, Okay, so after that we have to copy the respective slab sections here. So for that we have to select the plate cursor option, select all these respected plate, transitional repeat in x direction condition, which is consisting of number of steps will be consisting of 2 numbers and distance will be of 13 meter. So click on OK. Now we can see all the plates will be copied. Again in the same process we have to select the surface plates. So click on select all this. Go to transitional in x direction, number of steps are 2, each step will be consisting of 13 meter here. So click on OK option. So after copying all these respected properties, so we need to delete all the sections at the ground story. So for that select the front view. So click on the select all the properties here like this. Again we have to select all the properties here like this. Click on delete option, click on OK. So now we can see all the properties will be deleted here like this. So after that we have to see this respected complete model in rendering view process. Now for that we have to click on this respected 3D rendering view option. So click on this respected property. Now we can see 3 blocks are created, 3 commercial blocks are created for this respected building plan here like this. Okay, so after modeling process is completed, we need to apply the properties for these respective structures. So for that go to your respected modeling, go to geometry, click on define option. So here I am assuming the rectangular section for the beam which is comes under your respective property. Let us take it as 0.3 cross 0.4. Let us consider. So click on add option. So after that just I am considering the column section will be consisting of 0.4 cross 0.4. Click on add, close. Now here we have to define the thickness for the slab. Let us consider it as 150 mm thickness for the slab. Click on add. Again in the same process just I am taking 120 mm thickness for the shear wall section. So now we have to assign this respective property. Select the first one, go to select option, beams parallel to X condition system. Again you have to select beams parallel to Z condition system. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes option. So after that we have to assign the column section dimensions. Select the here, go to select beams parallel to Y condition system. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. So after that you have to select the plate thickness by using assign to view option, assign yes option. Now here we have to select the surface thickness, assign to view, assign yes option. So after that we have to see this respected model in rendering view again. Click on the rendering view this. So this is the rendering view process for this building which is consisting of your respective property of beam is 0.3 cross 0.4 and column is 0.4 cross 0.4 and it will be consisting of surface thickness will be consisting of your respective properties of 120 mm and a plate thickness will be consisting of 150 mm. So after applying the properties we need to apply the supports. Select the supports option, click on create, add here, select the support 2, select the front view option, select all the node points at the base for this respective property, click on assign to selected nodes, assign yes option. So after that we have to apply the load cases for this respective structure. So for that initially we need to assume the load cases. So for this respected building just I am assuming the load cases will be consisting of only the gravity loads only. So why? Because this building was located in zone 2 condition due to the effect of the less amount of the seismic zone factor in zone 2 condition. Just I am considering it as zone 2 condition. Okay, so in zone 2 condition basically we will eliminate the seismic loading condition. So for that only reason only just I am skipping the respected value of seismic loading condition. Okay, so for that initially we will create the wind loading conditions as well as your respected dead load, live load. So initially I will define the wind load. So go to your wind definitions, click on add, select add one, close, select type 1 wind 1, click on add. So here we have to enter the intensity. We will calculate this respected intensity as per IS 875 part 3 code. So as per my assumption just I am taking the rough random values here. So you can calculate this respected value. I was already posted a video how to calculate the wind load by using IS 875 part 3. So you can check that respected video in the below description and above card link for this respected video. So here I am assuming the height of the structure. Let us consider it as 18 meter. Again we have to select the load. Let us consider it as 1.2. Just I am taking it as which is consisting of 15. Again I am taking 1 which is acting at a distance of 12. 0.8 just I am taking which is at 9. Again I am taking 0.6 which is acting at a distance of 6 meter. Let us consider 0.4 which is acting at a distance of 3. So click on add option. So after that we have to add the factor as 1, add, close. So now we have to select the exposure one by using assign to view, assign yes option. So after that we have to define the load cases. Select load case details, click on add button. Initially I will define the dead loading condition. Select the load case name as DL, add. Again I am adding the live loading condition for this respective structure, LL, add option. Now we have to select the wind loading condition. Just I am considering it as WX. Again we have to add the wind loading condition which is in Y condition. Click on add, close. So after that we have to apply the load cases, which is comes under dead loading condition. Select add option. So initially I will add the self weight for this respective structure. Add here, close here. Select the self weight by using assign to view, assign yes. So after applying the self weight for this respective structure, we need to add the internal wall section load and external wall section load. So basically we will take the external walls will be consisting of 0.23 thickness multiplied by your respective density of brickwork is 20 multiplied by the floor height, which is comes under the distance of 13.8 kilonewton per meter. So for that initially we need to add the 13.8 kilonewton per meter load. So click on add option. For that select the member load, which is consisting of minus 13.8. So in y direction condition. So click on add option. Again we have to calculate the internal wall section. So 0.12 is the thickness for the internal wall multiplied by 20 brickwork unit weight multiplied by each floor height. So which is comes under the load value of 7.2 here. Okay, let us consider here as 7.2. So after that we have to assign the value of your respective floor load. So as per my consideration, just I am assuming the floor load will be consisting of -2 value. So click on select the y range value. Let us consider the starting point will be consisting of 3 meter and last point will be consisting of 18 meter. Click on add, close. So this is the action of your respected uniform load. Now we have to select the minus 13.8 load case. So go to select option, go to select beams parallel to X condition system. Again in the same process we need to select the beams which are parallel to Z condition system. Go to select beams parallel to Z condition system. Click on assign to selected beams option here. Select here like this. So click on assign option. So click on S button. Again in the same process we have to select this respected minus 7.2 intensity here. So here I am selecting minus 7.2 intensity. Assign to selected beams option here again. Again we have to select assign option here like this. Click on yes option here like this. So after that we have to assign the live loading condition. Basically for commercial structure we will take the live loading condition will be of 3.5 kilonewton per meter square. So for that select the live load. Click on add. So initially I am selecting the floor load, which is comes under the intensity of minus 3.5, which is acting at a distance of 3 meter and 21 meter. Click on add option. So now we can see the live load will be applied for this respective structure here like this. Now we have to select wind load X, add option, select the wind in X direction with factor 1, add option. So again in the same process just I am adding it as -1, click on add. Now click on close option, select wind load in Y direction condition, click on add. So here we have to select the wind load again in Z direction condition with the factor 1, add button. Again I am adding it as -1 factor, add button, close option. So after that we have to add the load combinations. Select the load case details, click on add. Select the load combinations. We have to select as per the Indian standard system code. So click on generate loads here. So it will add your respected combinations as per your load considerations. Click on add option, close option. So after that select the materials option. Select the concrete material, click on assign to view, assign yes option. So after that we have to go to analysis and print, add your no print option, close option. Again go to analyze option, click on run analysis, click on save option. So now here we have to check for the zero errors for this respected model. So here my model is checking for the zero errors for this respected structure of G+5 story commercial complex building, which is comes under your respected distance of 21 meter height. So now we can see my building model was analyzed with zero errors. Go to post processing mode, click on done option. So apply all your respective load cases, apply here. So click on OK option. So now you can see this is the deflection diagram for this respective structure. So again we have to select the Fy value diagram, which is nothing but the shear force diagram. So click on this respected point. Again we have to deselect the value of your respective deflection. So this is the shear force diagram for this respective structure due to the presence of your respected load cases. So select MZ value. So click on the selection of the load case will be dead loading condition. Now we can see this is the bending moment diagram due to the presence of the gravity direction load cases. So after that select the plate load. Apply your stress type as absolute pressure. Click on apply here. Click on OK. So this is the maximum absolute pressure for this respective structure. So after the analysis process is completed, we need to design this respective structure. So for that go to modeling option, click on design option, select the concrete design. So here we have to select as per Indian standard system, which is comes under 456 code. So initially we need to select the parameters, deselect all selected parameters first, So from this we need to select compressed strength, yield strength of shear reinforcement, maximum main, maximum secondary. So here I am assuming only 5 factors. You can select any one of the parameters from this respected considerations as per the problem statement. Click on OK. So click on define parameters. So for this building, just I am assuming grade of the concrete is 25,000. Let us consider. Click on add. Again I am selecting Fi main. Let us consider it as 415,000 grade. Click on add. Again I am selecting section reinforcement is also 415 grade. 415,000. Click on add option. Again I am selecting maximum main. Let us consider it as 12 mm. Add button. Again I am selecting section reinforcement, secondary reinforcement 16 mm. Add button, close option. So after that select the comments option. Click on design beam command, select the design column command here and select the slab element command design. So take off command, add button, close option. So after that we have to select this respected question marks. We need to apply it for this building. Select FC by using assign to view, assign yes option. So after that we have to select Fy main by using assign to view, assign yes. Again in the same process, section reinforcement also assign to view option, assign yes option. Again maximum main also assign to view option, assign yes. Maximum secondary also assign to view option, assign yes option. So after that select design beam, go to select beams parallel to X condition system. Again you have to select the beams parallel to Z condition system, assign to selected beams, assign yes option. Now we have to select the design column command. Go to select option, beams parallel to Y system. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes option. Again in the same process we need to select design element by using assign to view, assign yes option. So after that we have to go to analysis and print, add your no print option again. Again you have to click on close option. So now initially we need to check that whether the perform analysis is added here like this or not. Go to analyze option, run analysis. Click on save option. So again we have to check for the 0 errors for this respected design as per IS 456 considerations. So here my model is analyzing for the design considerations. So after that I will show you the design results for this respected commercial complex building which is comes under G+5 building. So now we can see here my model is observed with 0 errors. Go to post processing mode again, click on done option again select the beam. So deselect the bending moment diagram, select any one of the beam under consideration, double click on it, click on concrete design. So this is the concrete design for this respective structure. It will be consisting of 3 bars of 16 mm dia, 267 center to center distance at the top reinforcement. Again it will be consisting of 4 bars of 10 mm dia, 30 center to center distance at the bottom reinforcement under considerations of M25 grade concrete, Fe415 grade steel. Select any one of the column. Just I am selecting this respected column. Click on concrete design. So this is the concrete design which is consisting of 24 number of bars. Each bar will be consisting of 16 mm dia. AST percentage is 3.01 and AST requirement is 4275 mm square under considerations of M25 grade concrete and Fe415 grade steel. So after checking the designing results, we need to check the staad output file. So for that we have to select this respective staad output file option. So click on the results option here. So click on concrete design section option. So it will be consisting of each and individual section consideration designs which is related to the beam design concepts as well as your respected column designing concepts under considerations of different types of beam sections and different types of the slab sections for this respected building. Okay, so this is the complete process, analysis and designing of your respected G+5 commercial complex building by using staad Pro v8i software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for the respected questions. Thank you.